Hey everyone, today we're tackling a frustrating issue. You're trying to log into Snapchat, but you keep getting hit with that annoying error. Let me show you what I mean. As you can see, when I try to log in, I get this error code C03A. Let's fix this. Some of you might be seeing SS03. This happens mostly if you're using a custom ROM or have rooted your phone. So if I sign in using Google, it shows this error. Alright, let's fix this. I've provided a link in the description to download a specific version of Snapchat that will solve this issue. Let's just open the link and download the file. Once the file is downloaded, head over to your File Explorer. First, we'll uninstall the current Snapchat version. Now, go back to the File Explorer and install the version we just downloaded. Open the new Snapchat version, which is installed. Once it's installed, let's log in again and see if it works this time. Boom, we're in. Now, let's grant all the necessary permissions for the camera, audio, and files. As you can see that the Snapchat is working fine and the issue has been fixed. I will just close the application and reopen to show that the fix is permanent and will not face issue again. You can see that it's working perfectly fine. Let's go one step further. Head over to the Play Store and update Snapchat to the latest version. And just like that, the issue is fixed. Plus, Snapchat is working perfectly with the black theme. So if you ever face this issue again, whether you root your phone or reinstall Snapchat or install custom ROM, just follow these same steps, and the issue will definitely be fixed. Don't forget to check out our Telegram group for more support. Link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.